In this video, I will show you how to download Google Gemini on laptop. So if you want to learn how to access Gemini on your Windows laptop or PC, set it up for easy use and start using Google's AI tool for questions, writing, images and more, and make sure to watch this full tutorial to learn how to do this step by step. And if this video does help you out today, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Gemini and tech-based tutorials. Now, I'll be using Google Chrome to do this, but the process is similar if you do use other browsers. But what you want to do is open up an internet browser, come across to Google and just Google search for Gemini. Now, once you've done that, you should see Google Gemini come up. The official website is gemini.google.com, so give it a click and it's going to take you to the official website. From here, what you can do is log in if you're not currently logged in, and once you've done that, to install this as an app on Google Chrome, if you actually come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come out down to the option which says cast, save and share. On the sub menu that comes up, you're going to see the option to install this page as an app. Give it a click, and what it's going to do is open a window like this, asking if you want to install this page as an app. From here, you can name the app. I'm going to leave it set to Google Gemini, and then what you want to do is click the install button. So as you can now see, this has installed as its own separate app on my laptop. And if I actually come back to my desktop, you can see the app here on my desktop. So we can double click, and as you can see, it opens as its own individual app. And that is how to download Google Gemini on laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.